Now we will work on Spring 2012 Test 1 number 13 to number 15. Number 13, we need to solve this equation with a lot of fractions and a grouping symbol. What I will do first, and I have to, is to distribute this part first. Okay, this will then be 9 over 4x minus 6 minus 2/3 equals to negative 5 over 6 x minus 1/2. Now from here then I will use the LCD method, in which I will get rid of the fractions at once. The LCD of 4, 3, 6 and 2 is 12. Okay, now then from here I multiply each term by 12 and what we will see is no more fractions after that. 12 divided by 4 is 3 times 9 is 27x minus 6 times 12 is 72 minus 2 times 12. 12 divided by 3 is 4 times 2 is 8 equals to negative 5 over 6 times 12. 12 divided by 6 is 2 times 5 is 10x minus 1/2 of 12 is 6. Then from here I solve that the way we did at the beginning. Okay, I will move this to the left, move this to the right. I get 27x plus 10x equals to negative 6 plus 80. That's 37x equals to 74. X equals to 24 over 37. So x equals to 2. Okay, remember when you solve your equation, your equal signs should form a line. Okay, at least you try your best to make it form the line. Another thing to mention from this number 13, you cannot do LCD method directly when you still have the grouping symbol. Okay, yes you can if you know something else, but at this level I don't expect you to know that thing yet. So we do distribution first and then we apply the LCD method. Okay, that's for number 14. Number 13, number 14 now. Convert this 23 1/3% to a fraction. As always, what I will do is I convert I write the percent to be over 100. So the process from here to here, I basically rewrite this percent to be over 100. Okay, and then from here, let me make it. There are two ways to do this, and wondering which way you think will be comfortable. Let me convert this one to improper fraction first. Okay, and then from here, the LCD of this complex fraction is 3. I multiply the top by 3, multiply the bottom by 3. I get 70 over 300, which simplified to be 77 over 30. Okay, now if you don't want to do it that way, you can go this way, the conventional method. You say, oh, this is 23 1/3 over 1 divided by 100. This is 70 over 3 divided by 100. This is 70 over 3 times 1 over 100. Then you do cross cancelling. This is 10. This is 7. Therefore you get 7 over 30. Okay, either way will be okay. Now to convert this number 14 to decimal, 23 1/3%, we already know from the first part that this is 7 over 30. Okay, and what I will do next is convert this fraction into decimal. Okay, before I start working on that, let's have some little intuition play. You see this is 23%, 23 something percent. So if we convert this to decimal, it should be 0.23 something something something. Okay, we don't know what would that be. So when I divide this 7 by 30, I expect to have 0.23 something something something. Okay, now let's see. When we divide 7 divided by 30, 0.2460 3490. Okay, now you see, oh, we have some repeat here, so we will have 3 repeated. Okay, which then I can write as 0.23 bar on the 3. Okay, that's for number 14. Number 15, solve this equation here. We have grouping symbols, so I will do distribution first. Use distribution, and that will give me negative 3x minus 6 plus 2x minus 29 equals to 41 minus 3x. Is right? Negative 3x, negative 6 plus 2x, and then the rest I just copy. What I will do next is I will combine like terms. Do not try to move things across equal sign if one side or the other side also not simplified yet. Okay, simplify them first. Okay, here if I combine negative 3x with 2x, I will get negative x. When I combine negative 6 minus 6, that's negative 12, with negative 29 is negative 41, equals to 41 minus 3x. Okay, and then from here I could throw things across equal sign. Negative x and negative 3x, the coefficient of negative 3x is smaller. I move it there, therefore I move it here. I get negative x plus 3x equals to 41 plus 41. That's 2x equals to 82. So x equals to 82 over 2, which is 41. Okay, now this question actually have two problems. Like I really ask you, do you know how to do distribution? Do you know how to do distribution correctly? Second, a lot of students, when they saw this negative 6 minus 6, they have in mind that this cancels to 0, but no, negative 6 minus 6 is negative 12. Okay, not 0. Now another small incident, another small mistakes made by some students, just very few of them, is this one here, negative 41 and 41. In your mind, you see negative 41 and 41, they cancel out, but that's not how it works here. If you do things properly, then you will see that you need to move this to the other side first, and then you combine them. You should not combine them right away visually. Don't trust your eyes too much. That's why some people get into trouble. Okay, now that's for Spring 2012 Test 1, number 13, number 14, and number 15. Okay.